Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to buy coins on TikTok so you can support your favorite creators or unlock special features during live streams. The reason you want to know this is that TikTok coins are used to purchase virtual gifts that you can send to your favorite creators during their live streams as a way to show appreciation and support. It's a fun way to engage with creators and become a part of their community. This video is especially useful for TikTok users who enjoy live streams and want to interact with their favorite creators, or anyone new to the platform and curious about how coins work. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way into the end to learn how to buy coins on TikTok. So first thing is first, you're going to want to unlock your phone. You're going to want to navigate to the TikTok app, whether you search your phone for it or you just go and find it. It's this black app right here with this white and red logo. So once you do that, you just click on it and the For You page will load. That's what this is, right? But what you want to do is focus on the bottom menu here. So you see it says Home, Shop, the plus, Inbox, and Profile. You're going to want to hit on the profile button. Now, once your profile is up and loaded, what you want to do is click on the top right where those three little lines are, and then click on balance. Now your balance will then load and you'll see coins, and then right here is just get coins. Now, whenever you're ready to buy the coins, you'll just hit get coins and you'll see all of the options. So 20 coins for 29 cents, all the way up to 16,500 coins for $250. And so you just pick the ones that you want and then you'll be ready to send gifts in pretty much no time at all. So now that we went over that, before we end out this video, I want to leave you with a few tips. Tip number one is to make sure you're logged into your TikTok account before attempting to purchase any coins. Tip number two is TikTok coins are purchased with real money, so be aware of your budget when buying. The third tip is only purchase coins through TikTok's official platform to avoid scams or fraudulent activities. The final tip is you can check your coin balance in your TikTok wallet under the profile section. Now with the tutorial and those tips out of the way, that's really all I have in store for today. If you did find this tutorial helpful, please be sure to drop a like on this video. Also, be sure to share this video with a friend, but most importantly, be sure to subscribe for more future tutorials. And with that being said, have a great day, and thanks for watching.